Rencana pemerintah menjadikan Raja Ampat sebagai tambang nikel menuai kontroversi.
Sekitar 46 km dari lokasi ini, ada Pulau Gak yang jadi lokasi konservasi penyu. Sayangnya, inilah kondisi Pulau Gak dari udara.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Malasari, and here I will explain a hot topic that is currently being discussed by the public, namely nickel mining on Raja Ampat Island, which could have a negative impact on biodiversity. Raja Ampat is a group of tropical islands at the western tip of Papua, known worldwide as an unparalleled paradise of marine biodiversity. Its waters are home to over 1,500 species of fish, hundreds of coral species, and various other rare marine organisms. However, a tragic paradox is unfolding amid global efforts to save marine ecosystem and address the climate crisis. Nickel mining in West Papua, including areas adjacent to Raja Ampat, is beginning to show concerning impacts. The process of nickel exploration and extraction, which is often carried out through open pit mining, causes damage to tropical rainforest land, marine sedimentation, and water pollution. Mining waste and mud flows from mining areas can be carried into waterways, threatening coral reef and damaging marine organism habitats. The impact of mining on biodiversity is significant. Coral reefs, which serve a shelter, breeding grounds, and feeding areas for thousands of marine species, are beginning to experience bleaching and degradation. Fish, which are the source of livelihood for traditional fishermen, are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Not only that, endemic birds and small mammals that depend on forests on land are also losing their habitats due to the opening of mining areas. If the condition is allowed to continue, Raja Ampat could lose its status as a World Biodiversity Center. The tropical forests of Papua are home to endemic species such as Casuarina birds of paradise, tree kangaroo, and a variety of rare plants. When forests are cleared for mining, this biodiversity face to main threats, loss of natural habitat, and biological fragmentation. This disrupts species life cycle, leads to local extinction, and causes ecosystem imbalance. One of the most visible impacts of mining is sedimentation and coastal water pollution. Mud deposit and heavy metal was carried into river and then into the sea coast, damaging coral reefs, seagrass pits, and mangrove areas. Coral reefs, which are vital to life cycle of fish, become vulnerable to bleaching and mass mortality. In the long term, this threatens the food security of coastal communities that depend on marine research for their livelihoods. Raja Ampat is not merely an ecological landscape, but also an coastal lands for indigenous communities. Many local communities live in also spiritual and economic peace with nature. Nickel mining is often carried out without full one from indigenous communities, leading to social conflicts and marginalization of local culture. Additionally, Raja Ampat has become a magnet for conservation-based tourism, diving, snorkeling, and ecotourism. Activities have brought sustainable economic benefit to local residents. If mining continues to expand and pollute the sea, this new economic foundation will collapse. Tourists will not come to murky waters filled with mining sediment. We cannot stand idly by while this paradise, which is a legacy for future generations, is under threat. Rejecting illegal mining, strictly monitoring environmental permits, and educating the public about the importance of conservation must continue to be prioritized. We cannot allow Raja Ampat to become a victim of unsustainable progress. Protecting Raja Ampat is not just about saving natural beauty, but also preserving the global ecosystem. The biodiversity in Raja Ampat plays a role in carbon absorption, maintaining climate stability, and serving as a source of scientific and cultural inspiration.